What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlogs. As you guys can tell by the title of the vlog, we're going big turbo. But right now I have everything together. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have the car ready with the fueling and everything I need. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. I don't know how I'm gonna do this video, but fuck it, let's see how we do it. Everything should be pretty easy. It shouldn't be too hard. I'm just gonna fucking send it. This sign I've never done before, so I'm fucking scared. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So since the last time you guys saw this turbo, it had a little hairline crack right there. As you guys can see, it has been fixed. Nice. Yeah, that thing looks good as new. This thing is always gonna be a mess because, you know, it's hot, so it's gonna stay ugly. But I can get a blanket for it, so I might get a blanket for it real soon. But other than that, this thing is really clean. It's all set and ready. I got some walnut blast. Got myself a brand new compressor. I decided to treat myself nice because I gotta go ahead and clean the valves on this car. Alright, as you guys can see, I got it all out. Not too hard, not too hard. But as I'm looking in here, it's up. Well, stayed open. That one closed. Ooh, that one closed. That one closed. That one closed. Ooh, that's all nasty. The flaps are right here. Ooh, wait, these ain't the flaps. Where are the flaps? Oh, the flaps are in here. Anyways, these are some little, if you don't know what they are, I don't either, but I know exactly what they are, if you know what I mean. But anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull off these injectors. Or actually, before I pull off the injectors, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the compressor. Oh shoot, it's blurry. So I got my compressor going from Harbor Freights, and I got this shit from Harbor Freights last year. So it's my DIY blaster, kinda I guess. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and soak these up. Gotta soak them up in this shit right quick. So some carb cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it down.
I'm not spraying it all the way. I'm gently doing it. Happens if I spray all the way? Oh.
I kinda already finished. I was gonna crank up and do that last one, but I really didn't want to.
This is me?
Hold on, Bree, hold on. So check it out. That one's pretty clean. That one's pretty clean. That one's alright. I don't really care. Si pasa, you know. These are still fucking gunky. Oh, these are still gunky. But other than that, these are clean. As you can tell, I cleaned up these plates. You know. Oh, I have one in my hand. What the hell? And we also cleaned up these plates. So got a couple injectors out. It's really easy to take these injectors out. They just gotta go, you know, just gotta wiggle them out. Sheesh. These are pretty nasty. Ugh. Can't wait to get the new ones in. S3 injectors going in. Sheesh. Here, let me take it out of the bag for the first time. So here are the S3 injectors. Here's a close-up. Sheesh. These things are so nice. I went ahead and added this clip. Ooh, nasty ass hands. I need gloves, but I don't have any. I had. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer these over there. Be very careful, as you guys can see. This one's broken. Hopefully it holds up. If it holds up, then we'll use it. If we don't, we're gonna stay down for a bit, and that's all bad. Good news, we got the S3 injectors in. Sheesh. I'd clean that one, but I don't want to. It's alright, nothing happens. All I gotta do is take off the fuel pump relay or the fuel pump fuse. I think it is. I think it's the fuel pump fuse. Just crank it once until it closes, and that's about it. But right now I gotta go ahead and do this thing right here. RS4 pressure relief valve. Sheesh. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this to that one. Yee! So here goes this. Sorry for my dry, crusty, dirty
Hands, but sorry. Sheesh. Alright. So,
This is the old one. So that's garbage. Let's put this sick ass new one though. To me, it looks about the same. The stock one looks a little bit bigger. Alright, well, it's barely 5:30 and it's fucking dark out here. But good thing I got a badass light. Sheesh. So now that we're looking in here, ooh, look at that brand new ass RS4 pressure relief valve. It's gonna be lit. Hopefully everything goes good. Wish me well. Woo! I was able to get it in. All right, sweet. So the next move is I'm gonna hurry up and finish this up, connect everything back. Then I'm trying to get this thing done by tomorrow morning. Hopefully everything goes good. Still no GoPro, but it's all right. Gotta start on the fuel pump. I have a low pressure fuel pump to install. So let me just go ahead and clean up all this. So take off this one, there's just 3 Phillips. So pop. Alright, so you take off those 3 Phillips, then you're gonna go ahead and wanna clean up a little bit of the mess. As you guys can see, look, I have a mess myself. But it's a little dusty. So I'm gonna clean it up so then I can go ahead and pick it up without having no debris or dirt going inside the tank. I went ahead and blasted it with some WD-40 just on these little tabs right here. One, we got another one over here, another one right there. These you want to push on the sides. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but I'm gonna have to use 2. Hold on. Alright, this was such a pain in the ass. It was hard to remove these clips. As you can see, I broke them, but they still should work. And if they don't, fuck it. We'll get new clips, and that's gonna be a bitch. But I'm gonna take this all out. Again, I'm gonna need both of my hands for this, and I can't record. You know, the struggle's real out here, man. It's during the week, and the boys are working. I work in the afternoon, so shit. So right here, I have my upgraded low pressure fuel pump. Yee! You know the vibes. I gotta start doing some fabrication work. So if you guys want to know how to do this install, JHM does have an install. I'll put the link down below. So just make sure you go on that. Hold on. So as you guys can see right here, I got all the fittings on, 2 fittings, the power connectors on. The pump in secured. Sheesh! This thing's about to go in. Okay, wait. This is my biggest fan. His name is Chris. You know, from that show Everybody Hates Chris. This is him. Alright, it's gonna be fucking wild lit. It's gonna be fucking dope. It's gonna give us some extra ponies. I'm not quite sure how I did this, but we're gonna see what's up. So far so good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this cover back. Hey, that's where my stizzy's been. Oh, that was good. Alright. I don't know what the fuck I did with the other screw. I'm always losing shit, man. The first screws I took off, the first things I lose. The car is back together. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it turns on. Hopefully it does. Alright, so hopefully this thing turns on. Just gonna go ahead and prime it. Sounds beefier, but I don't think I fixed it. If I did this shit wrong, fuck. Think I did it wrong? I don't think I did it wrong. Alright, fuck it. Let's see if it turns on. Guess we're good. It's my pizza. Put it in the plate. Bird? Let me see it. Where you guys going?
I'm gonna take her, bro. There's a new place. It's a bagel place.
Is that where you're gonna take her?
No, I'm taking her to her friends.
Where are you taking her?
To her friends.
Damn, that looks good. Where's that at?
Where what's it called was? Radio Shack. It's a bomb, huh?
Sheesh.
Right back.
She's looking good. You suck.
Bring your pizza.
Today is day 3 of working on the car. I saved the easiest for the last. I'm hoping this is going to be the easiest part. It should be. I got the low pressure fuel pump in. That was hard. And the injectors was hard. Now all I need is go ahead and remove this. I'm going to start by the heat shield. This heat shield right here. So one right there. Another one down there. Maybe these 2 bolts as well. That one. And then that one over there. As much as I want to show you guys how to do this, it's pretty simple. You guys can go on JHM. You guys can go on YouTube and search up the TL5 install by JHM. They show you guys exactly step by step exactly what to do. I'm gonna jump into it. As you guys can see, I'm already like going in. I've already took off the oil. Took out the oil. Oh. Ew. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle it through. Once I have it off, I'll show you guys that. But it's hella cold and we got a storm coming. You guys don't believe it. There it is. We got blue skies over here, but storm's coming, so I gotta hurry up. And there you have it, folks. I got it all out. Nice. So everything is on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on really quick. This guy keeps wanting to see this thing on, so I think everything's on except the test pipe. I should probably connect it, but nah, I'm gonna connect it, bro.
Dyno, you motherfucker.
Alright guys, so this is my first time turning on the whip. Long story short, seems alright. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the downpipe put in, or the test pipe put in, and then after that I'm probably gonna see what tomorrow brings, because it's cold as fuck out here. I've been out here for days. Look at this guy. Fucking taquachi here. You guys wanna see taquachi tomorrow?
I beat the case.
You beat the case. Oh my god, that look Halloween. Hey, today's the fucking day, guys. Actually, I already flashed the car. Damn, that's litty fucking titties, dude. Sheesh. Look at that. So, before we go ahead and start driving the car, I'm gonna go ahead and install the high pressure fuel pump. I just needed to get the tuning out of the way, but we'll go ahead and install the high pressure fuel pump and we should be good to go. Go ahead and click on the link down below if you guys want to go ahead and learn how to install a high pressure fuel pump. But other than that, 3, 2, 1. As you guys are gonna see my first reaction. It's gonna be fucking scary. I'm fucking scared. Alright, so long story short, everything worked out really good. Oh man, I'm fucking scared. I can actually do my first pull now. So far so good. I'm fucking scared. Boosting. This is a second gear pull. She pulls. I want to see third gear. Yo, I'm getting too excited right now, guys. This thing is nuts. Hold on. I don't know when I'll pick it up. I'll pick it up.